Lagenia Bearden here, aka the Gina SB. I am back with you today with yet another low-carb keto recipe to share with you. One thing that I am finding it is difficult for me to do is to pre-plan my keto meals. So what I am doing today is I have put together some quick keto meals that you can come right in from work and prepare for your entire family, and they will definitely enjoy it. The first one is my Mesquite barbecue grilled chicken. It is definitely a quick fix. You'll be done with this meal in about 20 minutes or less. So sit back, relax, and watch this quick fix keto low carb video. So for this recipe, we are going to use already fully cooked Mesquite grilled chicken fillets that I got from Sam's Club, as well as the fully cooked original bacon. But remember, these are quick fix meals, so those that come, the chicken and the bacon that comes fully cooked already is, just a gift. Also, for this recipe, we're gonna need some cheese. I had a block of cheese left from one of my last recipes that I did, so I'm just gonna shred it on up. Your favorite barbecue sauce. We're gonna top it with some green onions. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and heat my fully cooked bacon here. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it through, and I usually do this in our little Black & Decker toaster here. It's so easy. The bacon cooks really, really fast. You've really got to keep an eye out on it. Okay, next I'm going to go on and shred my cheese here. Again, you can use a pre-shredded pack of cheese. And to tell you the truth, I would be, but again, I have this left over from the broccoli cheese recipe that I did in my last video. So of course I want to use it. Don't want it to go bad, so I'm going to go ahead and use this now in this recipe. So our bacon here is done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off and get this on out of here. Okay, now it is time to prepare our chicken. Remember, we're using an already pre-cooked chicken fillet from Sam's Club. It's their Mesquite grilled chicken breast. And so I'm gonna heat the pan here. And to prevent sticking, I'm going to add a tinge of olive oil. And also a little bit of butter, just a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. Keeping the pan on medium-high heat. All right, so I think we are ready to go. Let's go ahead and add our chicken breast. And these are so good, you guys. It smells fabulous, fresh out of the packaging. Okay, so once your chicken breast is as brown as you would like for it to be, go ahead and turn your temperature all the way down to low. And at this point, it's time to add your favorite barbecue sauce. You just go on and top it with your favorite flavor of barbecue sauce. But however little or as much as you like. My daughters and myself, we like a lot, and my husband, we love a lot of the barbecue sauce. And then you go on and add your bacon. What I'll normally do is I'll get one strip of bacon and I'll in half and I'll top it just like that. So after you've added your bacon, you go ahead and top it with your shredded cheese. However little or as much as you like. Remember, you don't want to overdo it with the calories. So, in moderation, right? And at this point, this is where I go ahead and I turn my burner completely off and I cover it and allow the cheese to melt. And at this point, I go ahead and clean up and prepare our plates. All right, so our Mesquite barbecue grilled chicken is ready. And I am going to plate mine up here. Let me get this small one right here. Plate mine up right there. And you can put any type of side with this that you want. Any type of low carb side with this that you want. So I have mine here. And it smells so good. And I'm just gonna top it with some green onions there. So, I like green onions. And now I am going to dig in. All right, so it's time to taste this quick. And oh, so did you see how quick it took me to make that? So fast. So now it's time to taste. Make sure I get plenty of barbecue, cheese, green onions, bacon. Joy to my soul. I'm gonna get some more broccoli here. I'm telling you, quick meal, ready-made chicken Chick-fil-A's, and ready-made bacon makes your life so much easier. Thank you all once again for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my page with your friends, your family, everyone on social media. Again, if you have a recipe that you would like for me to do, please let me know. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna finish eating and I will see you all in my next video.